Open it and dance again for me. Is it not working now? There it is. You have your purse? It was very cute. Where did you get that?
From Alpha.
Nope.
From Santa Claus.
Nope.
What is it?
It's a card from Grandmama.
From Grandmama.
Yes, and you have your purse.
Yeah.
And you put your shoes on. You're a very good girl. You are very good.